Thank you to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. We will hear more about them later. Why do we get so obsessed with fall, guys? Fall gets me so excited, and I'm particularly excited this year because it's my first fall here in Boise, Idaho. Last year we had an unusually short fall. It was summer, then there was like 2 weeks of fall, and then all of a sudden it was freezing cold and it felt like winter way too early. And I happened to go out of town to visit my sister and meet my new niece during those 2 weeks when it felt like fall, so I really did miss fall entirely. So this fall we're all really embracing the turning leaves, the fall baking, the apple picking, the perfectly crisp weather, except we actually kind of had a heat wave last week. I think one reason fall is such a popular season and we get so excited is because there's just something about slowing down after a busy summer adventuring and gardening and swimming and getting a little too much sun and road trips and backyard parties. Something in our souls just perk up at the idea of rest, and it feels like we're given this permission to slow down a little as we ease into colder weather and a more restful season. Permission to be cozy, permission to wear thicker socks, permission to wear that weird jacket with horses on it that I got at the flea market, permission to make a hearty stew, permission to bake. I wish I had the patience to film over an entire season to encapsulate autumn in all its glory, but this is just our first few weeks of this beautiful season, and honestly, it's just a lot of baking, so I hope you guys like watching me bake. And not shown are my toddler and I getting really excited for Halloween. I feel like this is going to be our first real year getting stoked on holidays because he's almost 3 and now he gets it. And I gotta be honest, Eric and I are completely geeking out on making our son's eyes light up as he experiences the magic of pretty much almost anything. This age has been truly amazing, trying but also amazing. And also not shown is making Thanksgiving plans and taking a lot of very slow, painfully slow walks in quotes with baby Woody in my buckle carrier and almost 3-year-old Cosmo on his balance bike. More walking on his bike than riding it while we enjoy the turning colors and falling leaves.
Alright, see. Look at that. Do you smell it? It smells good, huh?
Nice work, you need to get strong forearms.
Yeah.
You're so good with kids, Drew.
You did it. And then I think we stir it. Stir. Great job. Ooh, isn't that pretty?
Yeah.
You're doing great, Cosmo. Did it get hard with the water? Do you want me to help you a little? Okay, do you want to put your hand on the top? Ready? Oh, my goodness, it is kind of hard, huh? Tiny.
To form a dough, so then we do this.
Okay. Oh, get those chocolate chips. There we go.
Woo!
Why did I not that one?
That's the bread knife.
Why? Why?
I'll show you. See this is called serrated. When it's bumpy like that, it's a serrated knife. That makes it a bread knife. Ooh. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if mommy knows how to make bread. You ready? Ooh. I think I did it. I think I made bread. How cool is that? Smell it. Go, mommy.
Go, mama.
Oh my gosh. Wow, I made bread and it has a crust and everything. Okay, I officially need to get into the bread making business. All right, should we taste it together? All right, let's taste it. Mmm. We need to share it with Drew. I made bread.
Yay!
Daddy's gonna love it.
Seriously?
Yeah. What color are we gonna paint it? We have to put red and yellow together to make orange.
I got one. I got one.
So now we need it. Excited?
Yeah. It's orange.
Well, this is yellow, and then you know what? We can mix colors. So red and yellow makes orange. Tell me, does it look orange to you? I did it!
Totally. It is orange.
Grab a brush. We'll start painting it.
That's my bus. I need more paint.
I love it.
We're painting this side too. Painting around nose now.
Okay. Wow. I love it.
I'm mixing it into red.
I am fairly well now. I am strong. I am goodbye. I'm a long way from home. I am an orchard at the start of spring. I am a mockingbird. I love to sing, and I'm gonna fly.
Switch him around.
Wait. He's like,
Just one Cosmo.
It might be too early. I don't think I put
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Do you know?
I need some half Cosmo.
okay, Josie, let me help you.
Thank you.
No.
There's some really, I don't know if you guys have seen
See
this.
it? Right there? Grab it.
I don't know where we just came from.
Pull! Wow! Okay, Cosmo, your turn.
They're my like favorite. I think
Grab
these
an
are my
apple.
favorite, if I remember last time too. They're not from
Pull.
over there, are they? No.
Oh,
Put it
wow!
in my
I can't
basket.
remember.
I am an old road walking on my feet. I am laughing neath the weeping willow tree. I am a dog barking, a honeybee sting. I ain't no angel, but I've got my wings. I'm gonna fly. 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 I am moving, I am flesh and bones. I am a gunshot with a microphone. I'm a boy at the window as the summer sun sets. An old man in winter, nothing more, nothing less. I'm gonna fly. I'm gonna fly.
We just got all of these apples from the apple farm here in Idaho, and it was so fun to go pick the apples ourselves because the apples are super delicious. I'm really excited about them. And aren't they just so beautiful? This is just a totally organic clay that they put on the apples to keep them from getting sunburned. And we've been having a really hot October so far. It was like 80 degrees yesterday when we were apple picking, and I'll be really honest, I was totally grumpy. I know sometimes you see in vlogs like the sound's turned down, the music is put on top, and it just looks so, you know, picturesque and idyllic. And I was grumpy that day. It was 80 degrees, I had a baby on me that's fat and hot, picking apples, dragging a wagon, and with my camera, it was a lot. And I was grumpy, and I had to apologize to my toddler, and I hope that you also apologize to your toddler sometimes when you don't have patience. One of those days, on the car ride up there, I was already grumpy, and I told Cosmo, I was like, I am so sorry, I've been grumpy lately. I have not been getting a lot of sleep because of the baby, and I just want you to know I am trying my best. And he's like, that's okay, Mom. Okay, look at these amazing apples. We're gonna make a lot of apple things today. Something I really love about fall is baking, you know, like fall spices and everything like that. And I love to bake, and I feel like when you're, you know, adventuring in the summer, you don't take the time to slow down and make your own delicious baked goods. So that's what we're gonna do today. We're just gonna make all the apple things, and that's it. I moved here over a year ago, and I am loving the seasons, I think. I am definitely a sunshine girl. I'm a sunshine girl, so I really love summer. I love when it's nice out. Anytime it's sunny, I'm like, get my face in the sun. But I also want to really appreciate all the seasons, and I am looking forward to the seasons. I think that happens a lot, like at the end of summer, you're excited for fall because it's fall. Like, who doesn't love fall? I mean, if you don't love fall, what is wrong with you? And then you're so excited about winter because of the holidays, and it's fun. And then once it hits January 1st, you're like kind of over it. It's sort of the name of the game here. Everyone's like, I'm just over it after the holidays. And then you have like 3 or 4 more months. I don't want to live that way. I don't want to live miserable for 3 months every single year. I want to really savor all the seasons and enjoy all types of weather. And in the end, I hope you do too.
Yeah. Mine's some orange.
Okay, I'll cut a piece. Can I have that piece?
A piece?
Is it good? Look, you put cloves in the orange peel. Want to help me?
Yeah.
See how there's a pokey end?
What? And do cloves in the orange peel.
That way we don't have to fish out all these tiny little cloves, but you still get the flavor. Is it good? And if you're curious about these adorable pink pans, these are Caraway, a totally non-toxic ceramic nonstick. These pans are awesome. I love them so much, and this is the new monochrome set. You can use my link below. I have an affiliate link that gets you 10% off. If you're in the market for some good pans, I highly recommend Caraway.
What? One of it on apples?
This dessert we're making is the apples and cream recipe from my ebook, Everybody Loves Food. And it's made from such wholesome ingredients that you could totally eat it for breakfast and feel like you're having something entirely decadent. I made this ebook with my mom when I was pregnant with my first child and living in California. It's 100% vegan, whole food focused, and totally tree nut free for those who have allergies. So this crumbly apple caramel recipe is in this ebook within over 160 pages of vibrant photography and recipes my family loves. And you can just click the link below to get it, or go to my website, hannahmcneely.com. Wow.
Look!
That looks so cool, buddy.
Look!
You're gonna like it. I'm gonna eat it then. Cosmo.
So good.
Cosmo, you're gonna love it. I don't understand.
I don't get it.
Normally you try things.
I want some.
Okay.
This video is brought to you by Squarespace, my favorite website building platform that takes you from A to Z in the website building process without ever hiring a designer. Connect with your audience and generate revenue through gated members-only content, manage your members, send email communications, and leverage audience insights all on one easy-to-use platform. Create a community on your Squarespace website with a fully integrated commenting system and manage inventory. Squarespace is my preferred platform because it's incredibly easy to use, fully integrated, and the result is a beautiful website that you can call your own. Go to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/Hannah McNeely to save 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain.
Nice crisp fall day.
So hot.